3 verve at $5.80. Ballarat, the Cup on tonight, of course. tab.com.au have that fixed odds market available there. Check it out. $1.85 Luca Nevelt from box number 1. The second elect is $5 Alan Deed from the 4 and $6 for Secret Spell from box 8. That race Ballarat due at the time of 9:18 tonight. Sit now, Bendigo.
Set. Tenebrae 2, the favourite racing. Tenebrae jump well to the inside. And the odds-on favourite goes to the lead to the back straight, about 4 lengths clear. Black Promise followed by Willie Matusek. Then King Enride. About 2 lengths away then came Shannon Capriccio, followed by Cooper's Crown. A minute away then came Oscar Shiraz and Van Zukic at the tail. Running off the back and Tenebrae 2 lengths in front. The dangerous Black Promise 4 or 5 lengths away. Willie Matusek. King Enride in the straight though. Tenebrae's under siege. Black Promise moving up on the outside. Tenebrae with a kick. Black Promise and flashing through there. King Enride. King Enride's got up to win it from Black Promise and Tenebrae. They were followed then by Cooper's Crown. Behind them then came Shannon Capriccio, Oscar Shiraz, Willie Matusek in 28.69 the time.
8's the winner, King Enright, to return $11.40 and $3 even. It is close for the minors between numbers 1 Black Promise $7.60 and 2 Tenebrae at dividend of, in fact, go again on that place dividend, $2 for Black Promise and Tenebrae number 2 at $1.30. 8 in the photo officially. In fact, here we go. 8, 1, 2 and 7 are the numbers. Race number 5 on the card from Bendigo. Loading now at Balaclava for race number 7. Number 3, Mr. BG, 340 in favourite there. Second pick would currently be number 6, Magical Tycoon at 520. Albion Park a couple away, and then we go back to Stall for race 6 at the harness there. Have that update shortly. Mr. BG heavily backed on track, over $5 into 340. Let's get to Terry.
Didn't see what the tip for Balaclava was on the board today when I drove past the Malala Hotel. There's normally one out there. Off they go. Real Test got the best of the start. At stablemate Magical Tycoon got the worst of it. Real Test really came out like a greyhound, straight to the front. Pounced on the early lead. Going up on the outside to be second early was Times Like These. Settling third on the inside was Classy Diamond, and next was Love Machino. Behind it then was Bossy Miss Mossy, just in front of it Big Weekend on the improve. Next then on settling down was the heavily backed favourite Mr. BG. It's got 2 behind it, and they are Son of Lido and Magical Tycoon. Real Test led the way. Second the outside was Times Like These, and going up wide a Big Weekend. Classy Diamond fourth on the inside of Love Machino, and coming up 3 deep with cover Mr. BG. Next Bossy Miss Mossy, coming right to the outside Magical Tycoon, and Son of Lido last. 400 metres left to travel. Real Test the inside, the outside Times Like These, not much between them. Then Big Weekend, here's Mr. BG and Magical Tycoon both running on, and Classy Diamond back on the fence. It's Times Like These getting its head in front. Magical Tycoon out wide's coming after it. Still there, Real Test on the inside. Real Test has taken the lead again. Real Test, Magical Tycoon late, but Real Test just in front. Real Test beats Magical Tycoon. So David Jolly Quinella, Times Like These third. Classy Diamond fourth. Next was Mr. BG. It only beat 3 home, the heavily backed commodity. They were Son of Lido, Love Machino, and Big Weekend.
Number 4, Real Test, the winner, 561.60. Number 6, Magical Tycoon, 182 Times Like These, 230. They're written by Adrian Patterson there, race number 7 on the card from Balaclava. Have a look at that update for the next on the card at Stall Harness. Around 3 minutes away, race 6 there, with the late scratching number 6 at Tigo Turbo. The favourite is 10, A Stylish Stuart, 370. We'll go down the board. 1 Up and Gone at 27. 2 Bacardi Breeze, 560. 3 Hour Rosebud, 17. 4 Country 62. 5 White Bay Lane at 40. 7 William John at 7. 8 Raceway Called at 10. 9 Shots for Peace, 7 9. 7 in favourite. 11 Bubba McRae at 14. And at number 12 there is Francis Annie at $5.80 for the 6th on the card, the Trotters from Stall. Maitland some 6 minutes away, the next on the card there. And to Maitland in race 5, number 7, Devets Dynasty, 320. 1 White Freddo at 480. 6 Orbital Speed, in fact, at 370. Okay, well, Canterbury officially on the board 7 minutes away, but we're still awaiting news there. The stewards were holding the horses down in the stalls rather than bringing them to the mounting yard due to the storm activity around. Dividends at sale after the 7th on the card, number 10, Missoula. $26.690. Number 11 Suspicious paid $3.40. 3 Lock and Docky $2.40. 9 Sir Mars fourth. Quinella paid $158. The exact of $153.50. Trifecta $4,056. 10 11 3 9 first fourth. 62 2,700 jackpot.
Cardiac King's got a long way back, and so too then is past the lot with Beauty Rose High. Around the corner, Verve and Ladies Angel. Verve dashed away now, and it's coming clear. Verve has won from Ladies Angel and Cardiac King. Royal Exhibit was fourth. Then came Say Good Night and past the lot, followed by Beauty Rose High. And Junior Rose High about the last one home in 30 even.
The winner there was number 3 Verve for a win, 580, 240 for the place. Number 4 Ladies Angel at $1.90 and 5 Cardiac King at $1.60. That's race number 5 from Albion Park. 3-4-5 will be the numbers there. Now at stall we've got runners about to be called up for the trotters there over the 2,175 metre journey. The favourite being number 10, A Stylish Jewel at $3.90 for Darryl Douglas. Royal Exhibit fourth, getting close stall. The Quinella paid $15.40 at Albion, the Exacta $32.30, Trifecta $90.40, 3-4-5-2 first four, 436.70, 2-3 running double 440. Here's Dan at stall.
Making mistakes were Up and Gone, and Bubba McRae missed away. Francis Down to a trot, but is a long way off the lead, and still a clear last going into the first turn. Trotting away to a lead was Whiteway Lane, and it's out by about 10 metres. Bacardi Breeze in second spot, 8 metres away third is our Rosebud, who stepped away well, and it's in a good position at beyond. Back to fourth is Trot for Pete as they make their way up around the top turn. Raceway called as fifth, about 10 metres away, and they're well strung out going into the front straight the first time. Just about midfield was William John, 5 metres to Stylish Jewel. It began pretty well off the 30, but it would still be at least that off the lead, probably about 40 in fact. 10 away Bubba McRae, another 10 to Cudgy Boy, then Francis Annie, and Up and Gone last of all. The lead time 47.1, and the field strung out. They're an Indian file at the moment with about 1,500 metres to travel, and turning into the back straight, the high gain back straight, the leader is Whiteway Lane, and led by 5 metres. Bacardi Breeze in second spot. Third is Our Rosebud. And now coming out off the pegs is Trot for Pete to sit without cover running fourth. Tracking it, Raceway Calder. Then came William John. Bubba McRae getting up on the inside from a Stylish Jewel. And then Francis Annie, who's been able to make its way past Koji Boy, and last is Up and Gone. Off the back straight, the first quarter in 33.7. They have a battle. Whiteway Lane. In second position, Bacardi Breeze. It's getting a good trip, second up from a spell behind the leader. Three back the inside is Our Rosebud. In came Trot for Pete, fourth the outside. Next on the pegs, Bubba McRae's continued to save ground. William John going forward three wide. A Stylish Jewel follows. And Francis Annie the back of the class. 1-1 for the second quarter. And the leader is Whiteway Lane. Bacardi Breeze came off the pegs now second.
I'm going. What the hell is that strike?
Second and a good run from Our Rosebud. Third place goes to Bubba McRae. It's a good drive saving all that ground to get into third. Francis Annie was always too far back after that early mistake, but made up good ground. It's on the heels of the place getters from a Stylish Jewel and then William John. Next in Trot for Pete. Whiteway Lane got tied. Raceway Calder. Further back then to Koji Boy and then Up and Gone. Final 2, 3, 11, minute 5, 31, 85. That's the running on of Maitland, that race number 5 on the card, and the winner for that. Must be doing 3 minutes from now. So we're in a similar situation in Canterbury with a lot of storm activity in the area, and so just delay the running of this event. So delay on post at Richmond and Canterbury. For that 6 on the card at Bendigo. Sunshine Coast is around 6 minutes away as well, race 7. Looking down the board there, 1 Foxbat 740, 2 Tell Me More at 620, 3 Twisted Mountain 540 in favourite, 4 Argie's Heart at 12, number 5 is Father Shady at 10, 6 Black Zero 13, number 8 Kenny Excel at 13, 9 Get
Just
On
on the
Down at 11, 10 Victoria Nile at 15, 11 Barlemy 4